Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video. We have this another good app that we would love to use every day. Yes, it is Ultimate Facts. We're gonna be learning something new every day, which is gonna keep our mind fresh and we will have all this knowledge in our body so we can be like, oh, did you know this? Sometimes we can be the annoying friend too, but it is all cool, isn't it? So let's launch the app just like I did, and afterwards what we're gonna do, let's see. We're gonna go with begin, as you can see this in the middle of the page down there. And how many facts do you want to learn in a day? You choose. Is one enough? 5? 10 is good actually, but also keeping everything in mind could be a bit challenging. 15 is the ones for not for me, not for beginners, to be honest. So I'm gonna go with 10 and I'm gonna go continue because 5 didn't seem enough. So in which periods would you like to learn? It can be morning, it can be noon, evening, or night. You will receive your lock screen notifications during morning, afternoon, and evening periods if you choose these ones. But I'm not a morning person. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm a noon, I'm busy. I'm gonna go with evening and night because that's the part of the day that I am actually awake. This part, yes, I'm awake, but I'm not sure if I'm alive in that point. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click continue, and here we're going to be choosing our topics that we're interested in. Animals, baby's brain. I'm gonna actually, yes, all of them seems very nice. Let me see if there's something that I actually wouldn't want to know. Not really, but if you want to learn only about cars, that's up to you, but I'm gonna go with all of it because why not? Alright, now as we have done it, we will soon start to receive our daily fact reminders on our lock screen right after you unlock your phone, and it will look like this. So letting you know, let's go with continue. We have our buttons. This is a guide how you can use the app, which is amazing. We can learn more to go to the article page. Maybe you'll be like, is this real? So it's just gonna lead you to the article page so you see the source at the same time. You can read the fact and close and go ahead, or close with the X, and you can see that fact later on. So we're ready to go. Let's click continue. Oh, they also have this monthly 33 checkout. Okay, I'm not gonna go for it right now. So let's go with this one. We can listen also, if you go premium, you can listen to the audio of all the facts and articles, but we're not gonna do that. Let's just click on that. So in addition to dealing with round-the-clock darkness in the winter and the constant threat of polar bears, the 2,000 residents in remote Norwegian town of Longyearbyen must also follow one very strange law, which is it is illegal to die there. Maybe you go and live there, maybe you will be immortal. Is it something like that? Most probably not. So let's see why. Located on the Norwegian archipelago of Svalbard, about halfway between mainland Norway and the North Pole, Longyearbyen is so cold that dying has been illegal there since 1950, when locals discovered that bodies were not decomposing in the cemetery because of the frigid weather. Yeah, in fact, when the scientists exhumed corpses of those who died in 1918 flu pandemic, in 1998, they were able to retrieve live samples of the deadly virus, which is actually making it scary. So inhabited mostly by coal miners, locals became so scared of diseases spreading after they found that bodies were not decomposing. So they made it illegal for any more people to bury it in the local graveyard. While cremation urns are allowed to be buried there, so few people have taken up on this option that the terminally ill must leave the island and fly to the Norwegian mainland to spend their last days. So, if you seem to be about to expire, every effort will be made to send you to the mainland, told Jen Christian Mayer from the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. So, however, there are very few people born here too. While there is a small hospital in Svalbard, pregnant women are encouraged to travel to the mainland in advance of their due date. So let's assume this is a fact that we will like, this cannot be correct. So what do? We can click visit source and go there. Or we have this option that we can, as you can see on the top right corner, upper corner. You can also click here and let's see what it does. You can actually share it with other people. Since I don't have WhatsApp on my computer right now, it's not showing, but it'll show in yours. So we have our random facts here, and you can go down and find out a lot of things. So let's click here, bookmarks. Let's assume that we go to this one, right? You see this, right? Countries. We have read it. We come back to the home page. If we click here, we have bookmarked it, or we can also like it. So when we go to our bookmark, as you can see, it is showing up there. Maybe you don't want to forget about that fact and want to, or maybe you just want to, you didn't have the time to go to the source in that point, but you want to do it later, so that's what you can do. So we also have this search button where we can choose what we want. Yes, the ones that locked, that they are the premium, they're for premium people. So I think you should become one of them. You see, Cuba, they have even way more knowledge that we could have, so why not? And we also have the settings where we can change our preferences. We can turn on our night mode, and I showed you that I'm a night person, so why not? And if you're a premium and you want to listen to all of the facts, you can choose your fact reader as Joanna or Matthew. You can have show fact, or you can show fact reminders, or you can actually, if you cannot go more than 15 if you're not premium, but you can go like 5, 6, 7, 8. It is up to you. So you can follow them on Instagram, you can give them a feedback or recommend this app. So actually, let's see how it looks with this one. I also like the way it looks right now, so why not give it a try this way? So please let me know on the comments. I'm gonna ask you this question and answer it on the comments. What was the strangest thing that you have learned during your life? Like, for example, mine was, I saw something like this in this country, which I don't remember the name. I guess it was something like Malawi. If you're not over 65 kgs, you cannot get married. Like, it might not even make sense, but, let me know in the comments so we can know more, learn more from each other. So please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we see you guys in my next video.